They say that there are 3 determinants of a home value: location, location, and location. But today, I'm going to introduce a 4th, and that is charm. I'm Chuck Shaver with the Shaver Group with Keller Williams Heritage Realty, and no, I'm not charming, but 30 Sunrise in Ormond Beach, Florida is. We're located about halfway between the Halifax River and the beaches of the Atlantic Ocean, and this home has charm like nobody's business. Come on, let's take a look at it. So that concludes our tour today. If you have additional questions about this gorgeous home or any other home throughout Central Florida, simply give us a call. Thanks for watching.